Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about all of my budget peripherals in my review of each one of them. So first right here, this is the Royal Kludge RK61 60% keyboard in orange. That's with the backlight. There's a lot of different other settings you can choose it on. This is the one I have. The only color is orange though. But this keyboard was really cheap, $52.99. This keyboard. I really like it. I like how small it is. The colors are nice. It's more of, it says on Amazon, but it is more of an orange color in person. The one thing I did not like about it is that when you touch the keys, they were pretty loud. So I also bought on Amazon, I bought a small O-ring set, and you put these O-rings or dampeners underneath the keys, and then it will make it a little bit softer noise. So now it's a little bit softer noise, a little bit. But yes, I really like those. This keyboard, it's very small. The color's nice, I like the color. There's also a white version of this keyboard. So yeah, next we're gonna go to my mouse, and everybody, a lot of people probably know this mouse, but it is the glorious Model O in matte black. I really like this mouse. I just got it recently, probably had it for maybe 8 months. I really like this mouse. The cord is nice and light, the mouse is light, the colors are great on it, the buttons work, the software, I also really like the software. And this mouse was only 50 bucks. Just like all the other, Glorious makes a lot of great mouses. 50 bucks for I think almost all of them. They have Model O, Model O minus, Model D. There's a lot of different sizes for certain people's hands. Also have the glorious mouse mat, which was $15.99 in the XL size. Big enough for me. Really like them together. The glide on this mouse is really good for gaming and stuff. Next, I have this blue Snowball microphone. And now this microphone I got at Target on Black Friday. So it was pretty cheap. I do not remember the exact price when I bought it, but this microphone is kind of a little bit hard to find nowadays, but there are a lot of other budget microphones that you can find on Amazon, and there's other YouTube videos that show good ones for around the same price point, $40 to $50 to $60. In that range, you can get really good microphones. And I just bought this pop filter to go with it. Helps out a little bit. And then finally over here, I have this Google Home Mini, which is about $39, but for many stores you can find it on sale. There's lots of sales on these. You can get them for relatively cheap. This is not the Nest Mini. This is the Google Home Mini, so it's a little bit older, but it still works perfectly fine. It's good for powering smart lights, asking questions. I really like it for my room. It's nice to have. And that's it. Everything I have here is relatively cheap. 50 bucks and under for almost every single one of these items. And they will all work great. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching.